Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya.
Lawyers of popular entertainer Vybz Kartel are contending that the judge who presided over his trial erred when he allowed prosecutors to use text message and video evidence collected from his cell phone. The assertions are among 16 grounds filed by Kartel's attorney, Valerie Nita Robinson and Tom Tavares Finson, to convince the Court of Appeal to quash his conviction. Welcome to Unstoppable viewers, welcome to the channel, welcome back to my new subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Today we have to talk about Vybz Kartel. That's the hot topic right now. Everybody are talk about it. Every news channel, every radio network, every radio house, every channel are talk about Vybz Kartel appeal date today. So jumping back into the article, it says the attorneys argued that the evidence had demonstrated that these had been compromised and contaminated to such an extent that there was more than a reasonable doubt about their integrity as evidence. Kartel, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, was convicted in 2014 April, along with fellow entertainer Sean Storm, whose real name is Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John for the missing person Clive Lizard Will in 2011. They were all given mandatory sentences of life prison, with Kartel ordered to serve 35 years before being eligible for parole, while Campbell, Jones, and St. John were ordered to serve 25 years without being eligible for parole. The appeal court is to begin hearing cases today. The 65-day trial, which captured national attention, featured video, text, and audio messages which police investigators claim were taken from Kartel's BlackBerry cell phone. But Kartel's attorney in their appeal pointed to evidence presented during the trial that one of the phones used several times while it was in custody of the police investigators. They charged, too, that the evidence of tampering was uncontroverted and unexplained. Kartel's attorney argued that given the importance of the cell phones to the case against the entertainer, prosecutors had a duty to show that integrity of the electronic device was not compromised. Justice Lennox Campbell, who presided over the trial, was also faulted for allowing video evidence from the phone to be used as evidence, according to the attorneys. The video evidence was highly prejudicial and of little, if any, probative value. So basically, what the lawyer them are come with right now, them are try to counteract everything where the prosecutors used last time to convict the man them. Them are say, yo, them think they shouldn't be used because, first of all, the cell phone was compromised. It was being used while the police them have the man's cell phone. So if you not use the man's cell phone, that means evidence can be planted on the cell phone. All kind of things can go on. So the lawyer them must say, yo, we don't need to throw out them evidence they want to come with and I use to convict the man them. And I try to use that right now as the appeal. Now in another article there was something saying that one of the witnesses who testified that there was at a certain point during something was going down with the whole cartel thing, right? Them use a cell phone GPS tracking to realize say, yo, a lie ma tell because him tell the police them say he was at this location at a certain time and then gave another report that he was at this location at a certain time while on trial. So the lawyers for Kartel and Sean Storm I say, yo, listen, that brother there tell lie because the GPS tracker show we one thing and show him actual location at the time when the incident was allegedly occurring, right? And then him tell the police one at a time in him report and then on trial him give another time. So it look like the cartel thing I go good today. You understand? We all being optimistic about it. So big up to all the Gaza fans. Big up to Sean Storm fans. Yes, man, because they don't know, we all staying optimistic and we just are going to be grateful when we hear the news like more say Kartel walk free. You know what I say? Watch on, man. It's just a quick update we are giving you. Later we are going to come back with the good news when we say, yo, Kartel has bust the case and the man is going to be walking out and they have to represent for the Gaza again. Alright, like, share, comment and subscribe. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know if you feel like Kartel are going to win that one here. You see? Done, me done. Gone, me gone. And no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's unstoppable. And I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.